Welcome back, guys. Today I'm coming at you with a Barracuda. That's right, a Barracuda catch and cook. We got a beer battered Barracuda recipe coming at you, so stay tuned and watch some clips. Peace. Our day started out like it normally does. We get geared up, we go to our spots, and we get ready to jump in. Once we're in the general area, we like to slow down, not go exactly over it, but be near it, and depending on the current, just be able to drift right over our spots. Now, you never know what you're going to find down there. You hope that your spot's good, your numbers are good, but most importantly, that your visibility is good. Visibility was great today, so not really much to worry about there. So we're going to go over some of the ingredients you're going to need today. Obviously, you're going to start out with your fish fillet. You're just going to cut it up into cubes and then start mixing your other ingredients. Now it's just a matter of mixing in your ingredients one by one. You want to watch the consistency. It can't be too thick or too thin. You want to kind of make it like pancake batter. Once you got it just right, you can drink the rest of the beer. It was gearing up to be a great day out there. Visibility was good, swell was low, and the hype was real. Like we usually do, we split up into teams of twos. This way, we could watch each other's back. Not only do we dive way more comfortably when you got somebody watching your back, but you're also going to get more fish. When my buddy enters this hole here, he could scare out a grouper on the other side. And of course, I'll be right there to take a shot if it does. Hole after hole, dive after dive, kept striking out. No groupers in sight. Mike had shot a mutton, JC shot a yellow jack. I was still not having any luck. Back in the kitchen, make sure that you're dipping each piece of your fish fully into the batter. It should be completely covering your pieces of fish. so that way when you throw them in the fryer, they fry nice and evenly. Make sure not to get too much batter in there, so that way you don't get this big fluff. Once you put your fish in, let one side get nice and golden brown. You'll know when it's done when both sides are nice and crispy and even. It doesn't take very long, and you definitely don't want to overcook this fish. Barracuda has some flaky white meat, exactly what you're looking for, especially for some beer battered fish. And for it to be a Barracuda, I was quite surprised. While the fish is frying up, let me tell you about how we got here in the first place. I hadn't shot anything to speak of yet, and when this Barracuda came by, I said, screw it, why not? I didn't have any Barracuda in the fridge, so let's line up a shot. There was definitely some hesitation at first, but I decided to take a shot anyway. The fish took a pretty good run and started taking line from the reel. It heads straight down to JC, which I'm sure caught him off guard. He quickly came up just to kind of figure out what was going on, and to my surprise, he went after it with his pole spear. He placed a beautiful shot right behind their thick skull, holding the fish at bay. I decided to go swim down and free my line. Barracuda have some nasty teeth, so you definitely don't want this thing coming too close to you. In all the commotion, somehow my snorkel came undone. I knew where it was, so I wasn't too worried. I would get it once I knew JC had the fish under control. Quick swim down. My only concern at this point was that we were attracting some sharks, which is not necessarily a bad thing because where there's sharks, there's big fish. Barracudas are notorious for being hard fighters, and one of this size was definitely not going to be easy to bring down. We decided to swim opposite of each other to bring the fish up to the surface. It seemed to have calmed down enough now, so we figured now was our time. I moved one way, JC moved the other, and then he passed the pole spear to Mike on the boat. This brought the fish to the surface and gave us a chance to be able to get in. Unfortunately, this is all the footage I've got of the Barracuda. I wanted to conserve my battery, and I didn't know if there was going to be another chance to shoot a big fish, so I stopped filming shortly after this. Little did I know that this was going to be the only fight I got in today. As you pull your fish off the fryer, make sure you put it on a paper towel to soak up any excess oil. As you can see, all the fish are nice and crispy and golden brown, exactly what you're looking for in the end result. You can serve this a variety of ways, but I like fish and chip style with some tater tots and a cold beer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that next time I can actually get footage of me filleting this fish, and I have another one coming up shortly, which I'll be editing and posting soon. You won't want to miss this fight with the Cubera. The sharks were definitely interested this day. Peace.